Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su, chapter 115. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xiaojin and everyone. Xiaoshu, she finally came in. Now she's going to fetch Ara. Suhishi doesn't know that Xiaojin was also there. Look at her. When she walked inside, she was really confident on herself. Her aura is too strong for everyone. Xiaojin, cowardly. Yo, Xiaosu, why are you here? Lisi, jolly. Speaking at this moment, and Xiaojin, she looks really surprised, seeing Suhishi. Suhishi said, it's raining, I'll pick up people. Right now, well, of course, she's going to pick up Ara. Since the two of them are together, everyone was looking at them. It's like they seeing it on opera. Xiaojing, she really feels sad. She look away from them. Well, definitely right now, she really feels something. But of course, it was more on jealousy. Suhishi finally looking at the people around. You're so good to Ara that you have nothing to say. Right now, since she already sees Xiaojing at this moment, of course, she really feels bad. She has a girlfriend right now, but for Xiaojing, she don't have anyone. So that's it for today. Finally, the game is over and everyone is going out. Well, let's see. How will be reactions of Xiaojing? How does Sister Gia go? I am bored. When I go back alone, let's take a little song scar. Oh, well, let's see. I sense something wrong. It be that the four of them are going to Xiaosu, and all of them are going on the same car. Please, Xiaogu will also come with us, right? Oh, right now. Xiaojing rejected them. Well, subconsciously, she was really pushy. Right now, Xiaojing, she was hesitating to speak. Also, she seems to be surprised. The four of them on the same car, of course, was really feeling awkward. On eyes gesture, she was trying to make an ally, but right now, of course, she don't understand what happened in the past. Well, for Xiaogu, of course, it's been sold at this moment. She can do anything but just to obey them. He said to her, thank you for your hard work, Miss Su. Well, definitely, she can do anything but just to follow them, able to get in the car, all four of them. Since she really feel awkward right now, Xiaojing, she look on the other side, and probably she don't want to see the reaction of Suhishi. But for Suhishi at this moment, she's trying to pick on her. Probably she want to see the reaction of Xiaojing. But since Xiaojing is avoiding her, looking on the other side, of course, she cannot see her so much. But it turns out, after a few minutes, the four of them already in the car. The rain still pouring hard. It's like this night, rain won't stop and it will be raining all night. Four of them finally in the car. Old lady said, Xiaosu, do you want to act in the movie recently? The script I was invited to write recently are not very suitable for me. Xiaosu said to the old lady, but right now. However, I heard that Sister Gia is going to make a new work. Yes, but the script was not selected well. I plan to select the script in October and then choose the protagonist. If you want to invest, you can be a producer. The old lady said to Suhishi. But right now, Suhishi, it seems that it was fickle on her mind. Maybe she got interested on producing. But right now, she need to focus on something. Suhishi, she looked back. Sister Chia is not afraid of smashing movies. Of course, I can. Oh, finally, she agreed. Well, let's see. Can she work this time as a producer, not only the actress? Suddenly, there's someone peeping around on the front. Oh my god. Rock is almost colliding to them. And it's looked like she really feels terrible. And that time, she really hit the heartbreak. It was the wrong demonstration, please do not imitate. On the other hand, she was wearing a high heels, but she was driving, and of course, it was really wrong. Suddenly, all of them are getting crumbles. Suhishi's car suddenly stopped. Well, finally, they've been safe. Of course, it was Suhishi's fault. Do not let her drive while she was wearing an high heels. Suhishi said, I'm sorry. Xiaosu, what's the matter with you? Look like shouting. She hit her head on the car. Right now, look at her. So, there's no bruises. Ara, finally. She got really angry. You're driving in the high heels again. I have reminded you how many times this is not safe. Oh, it seems that Ara, she seems to be a little dragon, but she can spit fire whenever she's scolding Suhishi. I was so anxious when it came that I forgot to bring spare shoes. You should usually wear high heels. Your feet are old. Have you forgotten? Well, Ara is reminding her. Well, suddenly, the two ladies on the back. Old injury, when did you get it? You can meet a good orthopedic doctor with a good medical skills and can help you ask about the situations. Right now, the old lady is really concerned about her. But Suhishi at this moment, well, of course, judging before, judging place. Back then, she was really hurt, more on emotionally and a little bit of physically. Right now, hearing these things, maybe Xiaojing remember this, he becomes speechless. Of course, back then, Suhishi, she looks really terrible. Now, Xiaojing, did you really remember it, right? Last time she left her apartment, so careless at a young age. Old lady said to Suhishi, Xiaojing, it really looks like she's going to cry. Well, it's okay. I continue to drive and send everyone home early. Suhishi, she is promising them that they can deliver everyone home smoothly. Look at her, now she looks really serious. She was driving smoothly. Xiaojing, of course, right now, there's a lot of things bothering on her mind, especially hearing those things. She remember what happened before. And look at her. It's looked really sudden. The rain's still pouring hard. It seems that it's not gonna stop. Xiaojing, she need to go home. For now, let's wait and see if she can come back home safely. On Gusie's house. Right now, I'm here. Xiaojing said to Suhishi. The rain's still pouring hard. There's no people around. It's only the car and Xiaojing. Suddenly, I wanted to send you upstairs. Xiaojing is pushing the door. Suddenly, she got stopped. Suhishi, well, this is the first time the two of them will finally talk after the breakup. However, someone is waiting for you, isn't it? Suhishi said to her. Then, forget it. Oh, this girl. She was really on high ego right now. Turns out, her love is really lost. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!